Alright, hey, what's going on again? Once again, folks, Earthmaster here, August 21st, 2018, 3:52 p.m. Got another sizable earthquake coming in to the Vanuatu region. Hopefully I pronounced that. That's always been a struggle for me. But 6.7, as you can see on the globe right here. This earthquake following a large 7.3 earthquake that struck in the Venezuela region just a short time ago. Now we're seeing in 6.7 in this region of the world. The activity continues with vengeance, as we've seen over the past week or so, of large-scale earthquakes happening along the Pacific Plate and plate sections nearby. Very active activity. The most active activity I've seen since I've been studying earthquakes and whatnot. It just I've been doing this since about 2008, 2007 region, and this is definitely quite the uptick in large-scale activity that I've seen ever. So something's going on. The Earth is definitely in some shake-up mode. Quick information on the 6.7. Let me refresh this just to get the most recent data. Let's go back there. Find this here real quick. Like I say, it's just been a long day, and the earthquake activity here is continuing. I want to take it over here to the terrain. Need to set this to default, but anyway, yeah, so you see the 6.7 here, a ways away from the Venezuela area where that 7.3 just struck. But this 6.7 occurring about 500 miles west of the Fiji Islands region. Got Solomon Islands up here to the northwest by a considerable distance. 6.7. This one occurring about 30 kilometers below the surface here. Check the tsunami statement here real quick. I doubt if there's going to be a tsunami issued from this one here. Here's their evaluation from the Tsunami Statement Center or Information Center. Based on all available data, a destructive Pacific-wide tsunami is not expected, and there is no tsunami threat to Hawaii. That, again, with the 6.7 earthquake happening near Vanuatu. I know I slaughtered it, but gosh darn it, I can't pronounce that name. Maybe I did pronounce it correctly. Who knows? Either way, the activity continues. I mean, the poor Earth is just ringing like a bell non-stop over the past week or so. And it's just, it's continuing. But like I say, California, West Coast region, pretty gosh darn quiet. I mean, I'm really surprised we have not seen any type of activity on the moderate to large scale along the West Coast. That may change today. That may change tomorrow. It may not change for another 100 years. But it's definitely something to watch, as we've kind of been watching this little progression of earthquakes up here as well into the Mexico region. Just pretty quiet along the West Coast. Well, I guess we'll see what happens. I know I'm prepared. If you're anywhere out here on the West Coast, anywhere, it's a good idea to be prepared for any type of activity, because it's just too darn quiet. I mean, we got fires, we got drought. I think the only thing now we need is a major earthquake out here in California, and that would just be that 3-strike deal. It would not be good. All right, folks. Peace.